Welcome. Today we'll be running the Kyle Defoor Pistol Test 3 Modified. For this drill, you're going to need a 50-yard range, a shot timer, one USPSA target. Start with your hands touching the target, run to the 50, then 25, 12, and 6-yard line. Each yard line, 2 hits. The first two, 50 and 25, are 2 shots into the body. The second 2 are from the 12 and the 6 into the head. Now, I've personally been running this drill as a cold start, but running this more than twice, as you'll see here shortly, isn't going to be a very productive method. Much like some other drills that have you start at 50 yards and close the distance to the target, starting the engagement at 50 after a short sprint certainly has its own challenges, but the real hard part for this one was getting up close to that 12 and 6 yard and maintaining the accountability of heading everything in that head A zone. And I assure you, running it back-to-back times will give you some real empirical data on your capabilities, especially under a little bit of stress. That is, of course, implying you go pretty hard on the sprint down to the 50-yard line. A downside of this drill is you can't really run it dry fire unless you have a 50-yard or somewhat similar backyard to run it. Sitting here now editing this video, I do regret not running this drill rifle, as I think there's certainly big dividends coming from the 50 to the 6 and then working that offset at the very end. I did play around with this drill a little bit and I tried to shoot it all chest A zones, but it turned out to be not as effective because it was essentially a bill drill rundown, which is another video you'll see here shortly. The real gem of this, I would say, is certainly that 50-yard sprint, the engagements at the 50 and 25 at extended distance with a larger hit zone, and then really closing the gap for those 12 and 6-yard shots. That was probably the real value out of this entire drill. Now, unfortunately, 50 yards is a pretty restrictive range, especially running up range. Granted, with a holstered gun, shouldn't be a problem in most non-FUD or modern shooting ranges, but of course, that is a limitation you'll have to work through. I do appreciate the things this drill has you exercise beyond just the shooting part. The concept of identifying a target, making aggressive movements forward under a little bit of stress, and keeping that offensive mindset of closing with a target and ensuring that you provide the appropriate marksmanship given the factors. A perfect companion drill to this would be the bill drill rundown. While this is more accountability focused, if you shoot it with the head zones, the bill drill rundown really pushes that speed emphasis while still maintaining a level of accountability, of course. But the value out of an 8-shot drill versus an 18-round drill is going to show itself, especially in the recoil mitigation grip. But everything from getting into position, starting that engagement, finishing it, and breaking it off and getting to that next spot, both come into play. So we'll see them both shortly.